Hi all, I just wanted to make another video just to go a bit more in depth, showing you other ways that we can edit texts and images in the website. So remember, if we ever go down one of these areas and we get lost, we can always just go back to our dashboard. But I want to show you another way of editing text. If we click on pages, say Christmas Fair, so we can edit text and images in a couple of ways. The first way was how I showed you in the first video, and then there's another way we can do it as I'm about to show you now. So these two buttons here, see we have the first one, return to standard editor. If we click on that, it'll remove the divi builder, so please stay away from there. But we also have the option of building on the front end. So right now this is the back end. We can also build on the front end. So you click there. So this takes us to the page, but you see now that if we move our mouse around, it gives us these different options. So basically what that means is the blue area is a whole section, a green area is a row, and then a gray area is a specific module. So that's one module. The row is the orange bit, and then the whole section, as you can see, the blue bit. So if we want to add text to this page, the best way to go about it is to hover and click on this green circle, add new row, and then add from library, and we can use the one that I've already set up. And then we can come in here and just change the text like that, anything. Or if we hover on it, it lets us go into the module itself. And then we have that editor that I showed you in the first video here. But for example, if you wanted to change the color of some text, make some things bold, for example, text here, we can turn off bold. You may only want to make that area bold, like that. You can also, when you start writing or select text like this, it'll give you the options up here, so you can make it bold, italic. You can also add a link, anything you want. And you can change the size, just this with this slider here. So you can change the color, any color here. The color code, I'm not sure if you're familiar with color codes, but on websites, every color has a specific code. As you can see here, this orange code that's used a lot, that's the code. So if we copy that code and then we can put it in here, and you can see it changes the color. Like so. I wanted to show you this other way of editing, but this one's a bit more dangerous. It's easy to make mistakes or accidentally delete things. So it's probably best to make edits in the back end in the other video. But if you just want to have a practice on this, it's a faster way to do it once you get better at it. So just highlight things and change colors. And you can also add another section if you want to. So if we just hover over here and add a new row, just add a plain row there, and then we can add a new module, just say if we want to add an image, and then come here, and it'll take us to the media library. We can add in any image we want. And then we just come to design, change the size using this slider here. And we can also add a link. So if someone clicks on that image, it takes them to a specific link. Anywhere you choose. And then any changes we make, we need to save. And if we want to go back to the dashboard, just click up here, dashboard. And that's about it. And once we're done editing, we can just log out up here. But yeah, the best way to edit is to have this tab open with the dashboard, another tab with the website, so you can make changes here. And then when you reload the website, it should show you the changes. So yeah, I hope that helps. Anything else, please let me know. Okay, thanks a lot.